Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at OKNA Elegante Patio Door, and in this particular door we have extreme package. All possible whistles that you can only find for this door we got in it. So let's go ahead and dive into that. And the first thing I'd like to show you how easy this door operates, how easy it slides. Nobody believes how easy it is, but anyway, look at that. You open, and if you get this premium patio door installed by us, because installation is important as well, look how it has to operate. Look at that. That's it. Look at this. That's a high quality door properly installed. But anyway, let's go ahead and see why is it extreme package. What about extreme about it, you know? Okay, my friends, so the first upgrade for this door is actually it has the key. So basically you can enter the house by opening this patio door, let's say from the back of the house or wherever this door is. So that's an upgrade. The standard package doesn't have this keyhole in here. Okay, so the standard package has only this lock here, which is by itself still it's pretty much, look at that, it grabs into places, so pretty much secure. You don't have to worry that somebody can push the door up on the outside, because see, it hooks right here and in here. So that's the standard, you know. What about that extreme package? You may say, okay, the standard is the standard, but look at this. With the extreme package, let's see if I can find it. Oh, here you go. See, we have another locking piece, another hook right here at the bottom, and another one has to be right here. So here you go. In here. So basically, when you lock this door, let's see if I can, let's see how should I do it? So it could be seen. Probably I'll twist the screen like that. How about that? I know, don't twist your head. Sorry about that. But anyway, you can see we have 1, 2, and 3 at the bottom as a locking system. So that's, you know, that's pretty much upgrade as well. All right, so let me go back to the panorama screen or whatever it's called. Anyway, so let's see inside. Once we lock the door, right? Look at this, what a beautiful handle, another upgrade. So the standard handle actually is right here. Let me show it to you. So that's how the standard handle looks like, you know, with your little lip right here. That's how you operate. That's the standard one, and it's all white. It comes everything standard is white, you know. In here we have beautiful antique brass handle, and it's an auto lock system, which is upgraded handle. Look how more modern it looks and has much cleaner look than the standard handle. Look at that. You do like that, it's locked. See? You do like this, it's unlocked. Pretty much cool. Okay, so what's next? What's next about that extreme package, you know, about the extreme things? So it does have the mini blind. So, you know, especially in this house, you have a lot of neighbors and you want to have privacy. So we have this little magnet at the bottom, and look at that. You get your privacy in a blink of an eye without compromising your space, because you don't have to have any, you know, like any blinds in here or anything like that. You push it all the way down, you can push it all the way down, and then with that handle, look at this. You can adjust how much light you want, or if you want to still take a peek and spy on your neighbors, you can do that, you know. They cannot see you, but you can see them. Look at that, how cool it is. What a time to be alive, ladies and gentlemen. And that's for both sections you do on that side as well. Okay, my friends, so what's next? And next, actually, we have that little piece here. You can see it's called foot lock. So instead of having, you know, like that piece, bulky piece of junky, you know, like some kind of wood or anything, sometimes all doors have, with that door, we got this, it's called foot lock, right? So you push it, you don't have to even bend over or anything. If you have back pain or anything like that, you have to align exactly right where that cutout is. And here you go. Yes, yep, that's nice. Here you go. So now you can ventilate, see? And nobody can open the door from the outside. And we have the screen, you know, the door comes out, doors come with the screen, obviously, because what's the point of having the door without the screen? Come on. But anyway, I'll do it one more time like this. See, so now no mosquitoes, no little bugs coming in, especially when you have like pets like cats or dogs in the house and you want to keep them inside. It's kind of handy, you know, or small little kids up to 2 years, maybe 1 year. After that, who knows, they're gonna figure it out. They're gonna watch this YouTube video, how about that? But anyway, we have another position right here, right? So what does it do? Let's say when you go on vacation, you obviously lock the door. So now the door is super tightly locked because you have the foot lock right here in that position locked. And you have this main lock is locked as well. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, another nice feature, we have this heavy duty anodized aluminum track. So look at that, I can step on it as many times. Your kids can step, anybody, your maybe overweight uncle or anything like that, and you don't have to, you know, yell at him or anything like that or make him upset. Anyway, it's pretty much heavy duty, well made patio door. The screen, same thing, look at that. Slides, glides like on the bottom. But you can ask me like, what's the difference? Why is this door slided so nice? So you don't have to go to the gym, you know, like other old doors or even new doors, if they especially install them properly, you have to like go to the gym to open your own patio door. So why does it slide like this? Here you go, I'll show you right here. I do have this magic little piece. So look at that. We have special twin steel wheels, and actually it's going to be 2 of this, so you're going to get 4 wheels instead of getting 2 wheels. Because if you ask me like, Andre, what other doors have it, like what other companies have it, right? Look at that. I'll show you, there's no secret. Many companies out there, they have only 2 wheels, so basically 1 wheel at each side, you know. So that's why you have to go to the gym. Even when it's a new door installed in your house, still you cannot open it well. And other companies, they cut the corners, they have twin wheels, but look at that, plastic, vinyl wheels. Who wants to have vinyl wheels in their patio doors? Okay, my friends, I hope this video is helpful. And again, if you want to have the same door with all these whistles, or if you want standard door, hey, listen, nothing wrong to have it on the standard door. It's just going to be all white and all that. But if you want it, if you want your new door to slide like that, give us a buzz. I'm gonna post our website below, because the door is important. High quality premium door like this one, OKNA Elegante Patio Door, but installation is important as well. So it's a 50-50. If you get a good door but you have installation, bad installation and properly installed, you're gonna have some problems. You have to go to you have to have that gym membership so you can go exercise to open your patio door. Anyway, it's a pleasure. Thank you for watching. See you next time.